Hello everyone, welcome back to ScholyHub. You want a fully funded internship in Japan's booming AI and tech sector? The METI AI and Tech Talent Internship 2025, funded by Japan's Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry, runs from October 31st to December 15, 2025, and offers an inside look at the innovation in top Japanese tech companies. Let's explore it. So, if we talk about the internship, it is hosted by METI in collaboration with selected Japanese companies. Accepted candidates will receive hands-on experience in fields like AI, engineering, IT, and digital technologies. All the expenses are covered. The application deadline is June 26, 2025. Eligible regions and nationalities include DAC list of ODA recipients, and IELTS is not required. It is fully funded with airfare, stipend, and accommodation. Now, moving on to the benefits. You will receive a round-trip airfare, 3,000 yen, daily stipend, free accommodation, cross-culture and communication training, internship insurance, and experience in cutting-edge tech at Japanese companies. And the eligibility criteria is such that you have to be from OECD DAC listed country, means excluding Japan or China. You have to be a final year student or a recent graduate with less than or equal to 3 years of education. You should reside outside Japan, have a good English communication skills, and minimal Japanese knowledge like below JLPT N5 level. And you should be available from October 31st to December 15 and meet any additional criteria set by your host company. Now, what are the required documents you need? You need an updated CV, enrollment or graduation certificate, passport ID, recent photo, motivation letter, and relevant certifications, which are optional. So, moving on, here's the timeline. Date, which is 26 June. The applications are open. Selections rounds are such that AI and IT tracks have contests and interviews in June and August, and the internship range, as mentioned earlier, is this. Now you should know that how you can apply to it. You have to create an account and complete the online application form, apply all the required documents, and then submit the application. Now what you have to do is you have to visit this website and you will be landing on this page, and then you have to click on the apply application form. When you click on apply, you'll see this this particular page, and then you have to fill in the email and you have to accept this privacy policy, and you will receive this message, and within 10 to 15 minutes you'll receive an email, and it will be having a form link. When you'll click on the form, you will have to provide all the necessary details in order to take part in the scholarship, and this is how your application will be submitted. It is about a single page with all the necessary details they are asking. And if we now move towards how you can make it a strong application, you should highlight the programming and AI skills and interest in Japan, applying early before the deadline, prepare for ID contests and interviews like track specific coding contest, and customize your motivation letter to METI's purpose, global tech integration. Now, if I give you a very quick FAQ, it's such that only basic English and below JLPT N5 language requirements are there mentioned, and residents from Japan cannot apply. You must live abroad, and typically they have 1 to 5 per host company, and there is no application fee. It is completely free. A final overview is that you will be given a chance to gain real-world experience in Japan's tech sector and fully funded, and it's cross-sectional. So you will be getting this unrivaled chance to gain real-world experience in Japan's tech sector, fully funded and cross-cultural. If you are AI and IT student or a recent grad from DAC listed country, apply before June 26 and jumpstart your global career. You want more opportunities like this? So make sure to join our WhatsApp groups for constant alerts, and links are in the description as well as here on the website. Tap like, share, and subscribe to ScholyHub for more global internships and scholarship. Thanks for watching.